I'm Cass, and this is my food channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. I am making Mexican beef burritos. For the Mexican beef burritos, we need 500 grams of extra lean beef mince, 1 to 1.5 cups of grated cheddar cheese, 1 large tomato, 1 green pepper, 1 large red onion, a cup of frozen corn, a can of black beans, half a teaspoon of chopped garlic, 2 green chilies or jalapeno peppers, chili powder, extra virgin olive oil, and for the spices, we are going to need paprika, oregano, cinnamon powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, cumin powder, a few bay leaves, some cinnamon sticks, a few cloves, and we will need sour cream and chives or plain sour cream. And lastly, our tortilla wraps to do the burritos. Let's switch the stove on medium-high heat. Add a drizzle of your extra virgin olive oil. Once it heats up, you can add in your onions and the rest of your ingredients. So drop in your onions, your garlic, and your jalapeno peppers or green chilies. You want to brown the onions a little bit, and then you can add in some of the other ingredients. Your onions are browning, so let's add in our chopped green peppers and tomatoes. Your corn. Look at the beautiful colors. I love it. Add in your mince. Two teaspoons of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of oregano. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and about a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Reduce your heat to medium-low. Start mixing all the spices into the meat so that the beef mince can absorb all these spices. You can add more to the spices in the flavoring of the mince at a later stage. You can see the mince meat is changing color due to the spices. Add a few bay leaves, about 2 or 3 cloves, and some cinnamon sticks to bring in that warm earthy flavor as well. Keep mixing. Let's taste the meat. Add another teaspoon of chili powder, another quarter teaspoon of salt, about a quarter teaspoon of paprika and cayenne pepper. I just want it to be a little bit more spicy to my liking. And the beef mince is almost done. And it's not even 10 minutes yet. It's only 5 minutes and it's almost done. The last thing we will add is our black beans. We're just heating it up into the mince meat. Let's taste a little bit to see if it's right. Perfect. Let's give it another 2 minutes to cook. Then we can remove it from the stove. The beef mince is ready, so let's start up our burritos now. Let's remove the mince from the stove now and switch off the stove. Heat up your tortillas or wraps in a microwave for a couple of seconds. I normally do it for 30 seconds. Add some of the mixture. Not too much, because you need to be able to roll it. Add some sour cream. Sprinkle some cheese. As much as you like. And then you are going to fold it. And that is your Mexican burrito. Let's do one more. You're going to add your beef mince, add some sour cream, load it up with cheese around it. So you're going to roll it up and fold it across, and there you have your burrito. And there you have it, my Mexican beef burritos with sour cream, some chili sauce, and some tomato sauce to go with it for the kids. I hope you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass.